Welcome back to Charan Blog. This is third video in share marketing basics. Uh, in the last video, I have covered what is P by E value. Now I am going to cover what is P by B value. Okay, the same to purchase a good value company. One parameter everyone used to track is P by E, and another parameter used to track is P by B. Okay, so P by B is what? P by B is means generally considering. So there are many people supposed to put their money in the investments. Okay, some people whatever they invest every year they are going to get some returns as an income. Okay, some investments are giving more returns, and their value won't be increased very much, and some investments though they don't give more returns, but their value will be keep increasing. Consider let us think we bought one building. There too many developments are going on. Okay, and though the area is very normal, but of course return also will be get improved, but there is something changing in the valuation. Okay, due to some news, and it is keep increasing. So here what is happening? Value, book value is there. Okay, book value is actually considered as asset value, company's asset value. So I am saying it is the book value is the parameter which is used in P by B. Okay, P means a share price, and this is book value per share. How much book value? Okay, consider the company is having around 20,000 crores, and 20,000 crores divided by 100 means what is the book value? Means not that much big. Okay, 100 crore shares is there. The company whose asset value is 20,000 crores, the company is split into the 100 crore share, and then the book value will be 200 rupees. 200 crore cancel, and 20,000 divided by 100, 2,000 and 200. Okay, so it is 200 value worth. So if you are paying less than book value, okay, then you are buying at a good price. Basically, if share price divided by share price is market capital, whatever it is, based on the market capital our price is calculated. Okay, if the price and our book value both are same, then book value will be near to equal to 1. If the share price is very low, okay, and book value is very higher, so that time the P by B value will be less than less than 1. Okay, if it is price is valuating at more, people willing to buy, though company asset value is this much, but they are expecting more more profits, and they expect more growth of the company, and they are willing to buy it at even at expensive level. uh, Means price is 2 times, let's say, and book value is half, then what would be there? So it will be 2, means greater than 1. So uh, to purchase good value share, we need to buy less than 1.5 is a good investment, like that we used to say. Okay, and in this is according to the valuation. Though company earnings are not good, but if the company is a share is valuating at a cheaper level than the book value, then we find that is a good opportunity. And company, uh, see, though you buy it in good values, some of the companies has huge debt. Okay, so debt will not be so in that case, what will happen? So the company going to get huge losses year on year. The company book value would be there, and people don't have much interest in that company. That time wealth will be destroyed, so it won't be a good investment. Book value would be there, and the company should be should have a manageable debt. So regarding there is another regarding debt, there is another parameter to check it, but about that parameter I will tell in another video. Okay, I think you all understood. Thank you, and back in another video. Thank you very much.